Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on STX. Recently, the price of STX has confirmed another down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days since after 1st of December, it is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, so many touch points here to support. Then we had almost another rejection here, and we got a few more rejections here, rejection here, and now the price is once again bounced from the support of the channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But while moving to the downside, we have broken down a very significant support zone from $1.24 to $1.05. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very, very strong support zone for several weeks or months. Before that, here it was working as a resistance, and here it was working as support for several weeks or months. And now after the breakdown, it can be flipped into a resistance once again. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And recently, we also broke out this bigger down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 7th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of stacks. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it is moving inside this channel. And recently, we had a long spike here a few days ago, but the pricing could not break it down. And now we are again, after testing the support, moving up. And this time, if the pricing hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $1.15. And at the same time, it can also hit this very long-term resistance zone that was previously working as support. That starts from $1.05 and goes to $1.24. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it was working at a very, very strong support zone for several weeks or months. Before that, it was working at a resistance here and support here and support here. And here it was also working as support for a few weeks. And this was, by the way, also the recent swing low point before the breakout from the previous down channel. Therefore, it's very important to break it out as soon as possible if we want stacks to hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel. By the way, in case of breaking down the newly formed down channel, the technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 51.9 cents. But in case of breaking out, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3.06. If the price and reaches there, then we can also break out first this resistance zone, obviously, because at the same time when it will be breaking out this channel, it will be also breaking out this resistance zone, and we can also break out this long-term resistance of $2.50 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $2.50 was previously breaking at the resistance here and now again, it can work at a very, very strong resistance. Before that, we have another very, very strong resistance of $2 as well. And here you can see that for several weeks a month, it had been working at a resistance. And before that, here it was also working as a resistance as well. And here it was working as a support. Now, if we take a look at the previous rally that was begun here after the breakout from this badge, by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, the target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $3.30 to $3.50. And you can see that the price had rallied beyond that target. And this was a very powerful rally, by the way, from this low to here. So far, it has rallied more than 1,832%, but found a very strong resistance here at $3.85. And therefore, we need to break out this resistance of $3.85 resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. And the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel, by the way, exactly here at the top of this channel at $3.85. And therefore, if the price hits the target for the breakout from the channel and breaks out this long-term resistance line, then I'm expecting that soon the pricing can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. So this is all the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.